Good morning to all. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to start the extraction of aluminium from the alumina. As we all know, aluminium is highly reactive metals. So the highly reactive metal is always extracted by a electrolysis method. Now, what is the electrometallurgy? The process of extraction of metals by electrolysis of their fused salt is called electrometallurgy. The electrolysis is carried out in a electrolytic cell or a electrolytic tank. So this is the electrolytic cell or electrolytic tank. The electrolytic cell is made up of iron using carbon electrodes. So this is the electrodes. The electrodes that carry positive charge is called anode, and the electrode that carry negative charge is called the cathode. And the electrolyte is covered by a powdered coke to prevent the oxidation. Now put molten aluminium oxide or Al2O3 with the cryolite in an electrolytic cell to obtain pure metals. The pure metal aluminium is deposited here and we collect aluminium from the outlet. Clear? Now the question is why we add cryolite. Then the cryolite is added because it decreases the melting point of aluminium. Cryolite क्या करता है? It decreases the melting point of aluminium. Now at cathode पे क्या हुआ? Cathode is negatively charged electron made by the carbon. So positive charge wants to move toward the cathode because cathode क्या है? एक negative electrode. So aluminium hydrolyzed होके Al3 की फॉर्म में आ जाता है. Al3 positive and it receive 3 electron from the cathode because cathode is a negative electrode and it convert into a aluminium. And this aluminium starts to deposit at the lining of the outlet in an electrolytic cell. Now what will happen at anode? We all know anode पे क्या होता है? Oxidation होता है. तो carbon react with the O2 negative. O2 ये कहाँ? ऑक्सीजन ये कहाँ से आएगा? एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड से, and it convert into CO plus leaving 2 electrons. And if we take carbon plus 2 O2 negative, then it convert into CO2 plus 4 electron. So overall यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? The pure aluminium is obtained from the cathode. कि pure aluminium कहाँ से obtain हो रहा है? Cathode से. The next is extraction of metals both by oxidation and reduction. जिसमें first क्या है? Extraction of gold and silver. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching process. And leaching process हम already discuss कर चुके हैं in concentration of ore में. तो it involves leaching process. This is also an oxidation reaction because during the leaching silver is oxidized to silver positive and gold is oxidized to Au positive, which then combine with the cyanide ion to form their respective soluble complexes. तो लीचिंग प्रोसेस में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? लीचिंग में क्या हो रहा था? सिल्वर कंबाइन विद द cyanide ion plus 2H2O and plus O2, and it form a soluble complex with the cyanide Cn plus 4OH negative. Similarly, gold is also react with cyanide ion in the presence of water and oxygen, and they also form a soluble complex with the cyanide ion. Now the metal are then removed, the metals like silver and gold. कि हम सिल्वर और गोल्ड को एक्सट्रैक्ट कैसे करेंगे? The metals are then removed from these compound by the reduction विद जिंक, कि हम इन कॉम्प्लेक्सेस की रिडक्शन किससे करेंगे, जिंक से। AgCN2 negative react with zinc because zinc is a highly reactive than silver and gold. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा, डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन की जिंक, silver is displaced by the zinc. 2Ag plus zinc make a soluble complex with the cyanide ion. So इस मेथड से हम सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड को इजीली एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं। नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज refining. So refining is a third and last step of a metallurgy process. In a metallurgy, we discuss the first step, that is a concentration of ore, in which we discuss the hydraulic washing, magnetic separation, leaching process, froth flotation process, and the second step is extraction of ore, in which we discuss the conversion of ore into metal oxide, जिसमें हमने दो प्रोसेस किए, calcination and roasting, and the second one is reduction, and the third process is refining. Now what is the refining? The metal obtained by any of the method discussed are still impure, hence this is called a crude metal. So the refining is the process of purifying the crude metal. It's a process to purifying the crude metals. Clear? सो हम रिफाइनिंग में यहाँ पे डिफरेंट मैथड्स यूज़ करेंगे, एंड द फर्स्ट मैथड इज डिस्टिलेशन मैथड. Distillation is a very simple method, and this process is used for the low boiling metals. जो metals low boiling point रखते हैं उनके लिए यूज़ होता है. इस मेथड में क्या किया जाता है, इम्प्योर मेटल इज इवापोरेट्स. जो भी इम्प्योर मेटल्स है उसको क्या कराया जाएगा, हीट किया जाएगा. सो इम्प्योर मेटल इज इवापोरेट्स टू ऑब्टेन द प्योर मेटल. तो इफ वी बॉयल द मेटल लाइक जिंक, cadmium, mercury, then it convert into a vapors, and the next collect the vapor and condense it, and it convert into a pure metal. So this process is used for purification of volatile metals like zinc, mercury and cadmium. The impure metal is heated in an iron retort, and the vapors are condensed in separate receivers. The pure metal distill over, leaving behind the non-volatile impurities in the retort. So guys, keep revising the extraction of aluminium from the alumina and extraction of silver and gold and the distillation process. In next video, we will start with the liquefaction process.